my name is Rodri, and today I'm going to show you how I prepare for my Twenix class.
This is what you see when you log into the platform. On the main menu, you've got all these options: dashboard, classes, transfer class, calendar, and invoices depending on what you want to check. Here, you can see the status of your classes. The first thing I do is check the details of the classes of the day. And here you can see the time, the lesson type, the student's name and level, and the topic, which in this case is a checkpoint. You can join a class 10 minutes before it starts by clicking here. And if you need to transfer it, you can click here. Once you are in the lesson, you'll see a few options, like the microcourse name. In this content box, you have the lesson objective, today's scenario, and the vocabulary. Click on any word or expression, and you'll get a definition and an example. It's very useful. Remember, students can use this feature too. Next is a question box, which guides you through the lesson. And the timeline, where you can see the student's last 5 lessons and any previous corrections. After that, you'll find the student's details and any notes previous teachers wrote about him or her. There are a few extra features to know about. For example, the last minute button, which lets you be booked up to 15 minutes before a class. So keep an eye on it. And of course, you can always ask for support and check your notifications here.
As you can see, the platform is very easy and intuitive to use. So once you get the hang of it, it's all plain sailing.